Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to play Destiny on piano. First, choose a favorite Destiny song, perhaps Journey or The Last Array, to begin your musical adventure. Next, search for sheet music or online tutorials tailored for piano. Many resources offer free arrangements, ranging from simple melodies to complex orchestrations. Familiarize yourself with the main themes and chord progressions before diving into practice. This initial step is crucial for building a strong foundation. To truly bring Destiny's music to life, mastering essential piano techniques is key. Dedicate at least 15 minutes each day to practicing scales and arpeggios across all 12 keys. Pay close attention to your hand posture, ensuring your fingers are curved and relaxed for optimal control. Understanding basic chord voicings, like C major or a minor, will allow you to play simple accompaniments and even improvise. These foundational skills are vital for tackling more intricate pieces. The core of single-player mahjong is matching tiles. A tile is considered free if it has no other tile directly on top of it and is open on either its left or right long side. You must find two identical free tiles and click or tap them to remove them from the layout. This action often uncovers new tiles, expanding your options. Strategic thinking is key. Sometimes removing an obvious pair might block future moves. Effective practice is paramount for mastering any piece. Break down challenging sections of Destiny's music into smaller 2 to 4 measure segments, practicing them slowly until fluent. Engage with online communities and forums where fellow Destiny pianists share tips, arrangements, and encouragement. Recording your practice sessions, even on a smartphone, provides invaluable feedback, helping you pinpoint areas for improvement and celebrate your progress. Consistent, smart practice will lead to significant advancements in your playing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.